Today's experiment to study the effect of capacitor on the starting and running condition single phase induction motor to determine the method of reversing the direction of rotation. Single phase induction motor have two terminal box, 4 wire, 2 wire for running winding and 2 wire starting winding. Red color indicate running winding and black and green indicate starting winding. Running winding or main winding, starting winding or auxiliary winding, or 2 terminal capacitor and 2 terminal red and yellow indicate supply terminal. Red is phase or yellow indicate neutral. Running winding 1 terminal and starting winding 1 terminal is shorted and connected to supply phase terminal, and starting winding 1 terminal and running winding 1 terminal connected to capacitor, and capacitor 1 terminal is connected supply neutral terminal. Now we build up voltage and rated voltage 220 and observe rotation, observe rotating direction. Now we observe rotating direction. We see noted that the motor is running anti-clockwise. Motor is running anti-clockwise. Now we observe rotation direction and speed and measure the speed with tachometer. With tachometer 1468. Now build the variac autotransformer 0 position and off the main switch. Now we notice that the motor shaft rotating anti-clockwise and measure RPM. Now the motor once again start before we change the connection. Only starting winding terminal interchange. Starting winding terminal interchange. Only starting winding terminal and supply terminal is connected. Now we change the terminal connection, main winding and running winding, and build up the voltage and observe the rotation direction. Observe the rotation direction. you have practically seen how to reverse the direction of rotation of single phase capacitor start induction motor. From above the test, you could also observe the direction of rotation of single phase induction motor does not change of the input supply reverse as whole. Now we can change similarly running winding terminal, but rotation direction not change.